guys, David here. I want to show you the rifle that I chose. This is the Colt LE6920 M4 carbine. I went ahead and chose the M4 for its reliability. The Colt manufactured M4. Great quality in parts and very reliable. I've done a couple different upgrades I'll review here with you to this rifle. I've replaced the stock handguard with this quad rail. This allows me to attach my Surefire light on this gun. I've also attached, this is the EOTech holographic sight on this rifle. This is a great sight that has also high quality and very reliable. And I've kept the standard stock on this rifle. I went ahead and added the Magpul bad lever to this rifle, which allows me to close my action and reload a lot quicker in any kind of situation with this rifle.
Cameron with Safeguard. Today we're going to go over the most recent build, short-barreled rifle M4. We began with a Spikes tactical lower, BCG, as well as the upper receiver and barrel. Barrel is 11.5 inches. It's a little shorter compared to David's 16-inch barrel. I also included a CAC Industries flash cam. Decided to go with the Seekins foregrip, as well as Magpul ACS stock, pistol grip, magazine, bad lever, as well as the front and rear sights. Went with an SBR because I like the mobility that it offers. As demonstrated, the gun shoots excellently. I was a little hesitant to start an SBR build because of the horror stories I've heard about timing being incorrect and the gun not feeding, or even worse, exploding in the shooter's hands. I did decide to go with the Spikes tactical brand because of its notoriety of quality and similar to the Colt as David has. This concludes our introduction. Thanks for watching.
And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook and Instagram.